What's up guys, Justin here of Figatech, and OnePlus just recently announced the availability of this OnePlus Nord CE 5G here in the Philippines. It's a toned-down version of the original Nord, and that CE at the end of its name stands for Core Edition. It sports a 6.43-inch AMOLED display, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750 5G chipset, a triple camera configuration, and a 4500 mAh battery. If you want to know our initial thoughts about the device, then just keep on watching. Before we get into it, let's see what's inside the box. Opening up the lid, you'll be greeted with the phone itself right away. Under that is a box with the jelly case. Then we have another smaller box that contains the SIM ejector tool, manuals, and stickers. We also have here the USB Type-C cable and the charging brick, and that's everything. So the OnePlus Nord CE 5G comes in 3 colors. There's charcoal ink, pearlescent silver ray, and a matte finished blue void color, which is the one we have. It's made out of a polycarbonate material, and taking a closer look, the blue becomes even deeper and goes as far as purple towards the edges. It looks pretty nice. At just 170 grams and measures 7.9mm in thickness, this is the skinniest phone from OnePlus since the OnePlus 6T. Holding the phone feels solid, and it's comfortable to hold thanks to its slim body. Up front, we have a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution, 410 pixels per inch, and a smooth 90Hz refresh rate option. Found on the upper left corner is a hole punch notch for the 16-megapixel camera. Then right above the center at the bezel is the earpiece that also doubles as a secondary loudspeaker. OnePlus didn't mention any glass protection, but we do get a pre-installed screen protector here. For buttons and ports, on the left we have the volume rocker, together with a card tray for 2 nano SIM cards. Meanwhile, alone on the right side is the power button. Yep, there's no alert slider this time. Up top, we have a secondary microphone, while down at the bottom is the USB-C port, main microphone, main loudspeaker, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Flipping to its back, we have a protruding camera module for the triple cameras consisting of a 64-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel monochrome. Like usual, we'll get into this a little deeper in our full review, but for now, here are some quick sample shots that we got. Okay, so for internals, powering the OnePlus Nord CE 5G is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750 chip, together with an Adreno 619 GPU, 8 or 12GB of RAM, 128 or 256GB of internal storage, Oxygen OS 11 that's based on Android 11, and a 4500 mAh battery with 30 watts fast charging. And as you know, this is a 5G ready device. We'll use it more in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for our full review. And before I end this video, let's talk about its price. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G is priced at 16,990 pesos for the 8GB plus 128GB, and 19,990 pesos for the 12GB plus 256GB variant. If you're interested, it's now available for purchase online through Digital Walker's website as well as on Shopee. And that's it for now. Share to us what you think about this OnePlus Nord CE 5G in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.